The most powerful Facebook outreach system invented sends a personal message to anyone who comments on your Facebook post. 100% automated. Just set up the message, and it'll be sent on autopilot. Send information, website links, or anything else you want. 100% inboxing rate along with the message notification graphic and sound. Set up page-level response or specific responses to posts. Personalize with client name, date, day and more. Supports spintext so that you can make every message unique. Supports delay so that you can schedule a message for minutes or hours after the client comments. Listen, are you Facebook advertiser who wants maximum returns? E-commerce seller looking to boost sales? Brand trying to build recognition and engagement? Product vendor trying to provide better support? Facebook fan page owner seeking to grow your page? Content creator seeking to inform your audience? Perfect targeting, perfect inboxing. Perfectly simple. See the features that you won't find anywhere else. Add any Facebook fan page that you've got management rights on. You'll see a list of all the fan pages in your account that you can select from. Set page-level responses. Want to set a response that's sent for every post on your page? Yes, that can be done. You can set a page-wide response that'll be sent no matter what post the visitor comments on. Set post-level responses. You can also set specific responses for specific posts. Post responses will override page-wide responses, if any are set, which means your customers don't feel spammed. Rich reporting. See which pages are generating the most activity and which days are more active with the rich reporting system. Optional delay. Want to send a reply reminder 2 hours after the person posts the comment? You can do that only with Credi response, 100% inboxing and pop-up message. The message you send will be delivered to visitors' Facebook inbox, and a message box will pop up on the screen. You get 100% inboxing